Preparations of carboxylic acids from nitriles and amides. नायट्राइल आणि अमाइड पासून आपल्याला कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिड बनवायचं आहे. दोन वेगवेगळ्या रिएक्शन्स आपण शिकणार आहोत. सपोज वी हॅव नायट्राइल्स प्लस we added water into nitrile, then we will get this oxygen will go on carbon. So this is carbonyl carbon formations, and remaining nitrogen will acquire these hydrogens. This is amide, and then if this is reversible reactions, it can form amide is converted into nitriles and nitriles can be converted into amides. Now next step, carbonyl carbon amide, this is amide. When we added the water into amide, that time we will get, suppose we taken water as HOH, hydrogen will go with nitrogen, amine will remove and form ammonia, OH will goes on this carbon. So we will get, this is carboxylic acid. This is carboxylic acid plus NH3. This is ammonia. This is one kind of reactions here. And another reactions, if we taken nitriles, another way, 2 times H2O in presence of, here is also in presence of dilute HCl, and in second time this is in presence of dilute HCl. How the reactions occur? This oxygen will attack on carbon, this carbonyl group formations, OH, one OH group from this 2 times H2O will attack on carbon, this is carboxylic acid, plus nitrogen, this 4 types of hydrogen, this hydrogen will come from HCl here on carbonyl carbon. So this 4 hydrogen, this 1 nitrogen will form NH4, and remaining this Cl, ammonium chloride. This is the byproduct. Thank you.
Start.
Now from acyl chloride and anhydride, preparations of carboxylic acid from acyl chloride and anhydride. From acyl chloride, when hydrolysis of acyl chloride will form carboxylic acid, this is very simple reactions, and this reaction on this basis we can get aliphatic carboxylic acid as well as aromatic carboxylic acid. Now look at here. Again we do here HNOH, H will goes on chlorine, the formations of HCl as a byproduct, plus this OH will attack on this carbon. So this is carboxylic acid. This is from acid chloride. Now from acidic anhydride.
Start.
From anhydride, this is anhydride. When we add water into this, we will get simple carboxylic acid. Again we taken as like this H2O, this H will goes on this oxygen and OH will goes on this carbon. So 2 times carboxylic acid group will form. So RCOOH. This is carboxylic acid. Simple way we have produced here carboxylic acid from acyl chloride and anhydride.
Start.
Preparations of carboxylic acid from ester. This is very simple. Acid hydrolysis आपल्याला करावं लागेल. We taken here ester, and then with presence of dilute H2SO4. We have used here H2SO4, that's why we can say that this is acid hydrolysis, and water molecule will be added here. So this H will go on oxygen and ester group will break and it's form hydroxyl group, and carbonyl, this is acid, plus this is R dash, another alkyl group with this OH form alcohol. So this is very simple reactions. We have produced here acid from esters.
Start.
Preparations of ester from अल्कलाइन हायड्रोलिसिस ऑफ इस्टर. अल्कलाइन हायड्रोलिसिस मध्ये आपल्याला घ्यावं लागेल डायल्यूट अल्कलाइन प्रोडक्ट that is NaOH. Now this is very simple reactions. Look at here. This OH will attack on methyl group, the formations of alcohol, and sodium will goes on this oxygen. So this is formed sodium propionate. This is our main product. Sodium will comes on with oxygen. Sodium having positive charge, so oxygen will get minus charge here. Plus the byproduct methyl with OH, methyl alcohol. Now second time we have to prepare this carboxylic acid. So now we again take here methyl propionate, that is now sodium propionate. Next, additions of water only in presence of concentrated HCl. So what will happen? Again this H2O will break like this, HOH, and OH will go with carbonyl carbon, and the formations of acid plus byproduct is NaOH. This NaOH. This is the formations of carboxylic acid. Finish.